Hi everyone! So, shaders. They look terrifying at first. For example, you see hundreds of nodes connected together. So, what if you want to make your own magical stuff without buying or copying from others? In this mini course, we're not going to memorize just random nodes or blindly copy them. We're going to understand why each node exists and what they do. Well, let's start from an ordinary sword and turn it to that. To make that, we're going to use color, glowing, animated magical cracks, flowing effect, molten effect, dissolve, and also how to control the sword shader from C# code, and even vertex animation by the shader. This course is for absolute beginners. So don't worry if you've never touched a shader before. I explain every step as simple as possible, and the effects are built on top of each other. So grab your sword, and next lesson we will start. Bye!